Hey, what's up guys? As you cannot tell, bundle is now expensive right here in Ghana. So I discovered this new strategy which will show you how to claim free 250 megabytes on Vodafone. I'm sorry for other network, this works only on Vodafone. But you can click on where the arrow is pointed to direct you to a video I did on how to browse on the internet for free. But to make this work simple for you, you need to follow these 3 steps I'm about to show you. First step, watch the video to the end without skipping any part of the video. Second step, you need to take an action anything I show in this video. Third step, boom, you are good. Hey guys, my name is David. You can also call me Nirvana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a platform with all your IT solutions. Before you get into the video, please take a few seconds and click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to smash on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. I will also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, so to claim your 250 megabytes free on Vodafone, you need to open your phone application and right here just dial *5 #. So as you can see right here, it says welcome to Red Loyalty Program. So to know how this fully works, you need to choose option prioritize this information. So right here it says with Red Loyalty you get red coins for activities you perform on the network. Your red coins can be redeemed for amazing rewards. So let's go back to redeem our points. So to check your red coins, just choose option 1. So right here, as you can see, my red loyalty coins is 210.5. So to get more red coins, you need to top up bundle via Vodafone to earn more red coins. So let's go back to redeem our coins for bundle. So to redeem your coins, just choose option 2. So right here, you can choose to redeem for Vodafone minutes to call all networks or for data bundles. So let's choose option 2. So as you can see right here, if you have 200 coins, you can choose to redeem 50 megabytes, and 250 megabytes is for 1000 coins, but I only have 200 coins, so I'll redeem 50 megabytes. So just choose option 1. So it says request receive, you will receive confirmation SMS shortly. So let's wait a few seconds. Okay, so after a few minutes I got a message from Vodafone that I got my 50 megabytes. So let's check my coins balance again. Sorry. So as you can see, my Red Loyalty coins is now 10.50. That means my 200 coins was deducted from my actual balance. So thank you for watching my video. If you want to know how to browse in the internet for free, please check this video right here. Thank you. I'm out.